channel. My name is Rafael. In today's video, guys, I came to look at this Ford Ranger. This is a single cab. It's a V6 engine with a 4x4. It's a great truck. I came to look at it and see what I think of it. It does not run, but I want to get me a project truck, and this seems to fit the bill. It's a great Ford truck. So let's walk around and take a look at it. This is the XLT model. It is a two-door pickup truck, single cab. It is a 4x4 pickup truck. It does not run at the moment. And I like this square body pickup trucks. So here's a quick look of the truck. Great conditions, no dents. Could use a little bit of cleaning. A little bit of TLC, and you can bring this vehicle back to life. And here's the interior. It's got a 5-speed transmission with a V6 engine. This is a 2.9 liter engine. It's got the 4x4. Let me know what you guys think of it. Let me know what you guys think of the Ford Ranger. I really like it. Check out the wheels. Alright guys, here was a quick walk around of the '89 Ranger. Let me know what's your thoughts on this pickup truck. Drop a comment. Will I purchase it? To find out, subscribe to the channel and find out on future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.